As Jamaica's children return to school, let us pause. Beyond the uniforms and bright smiles, they are the heart of our nation and the future of our world. And with that comes a sacred duty. We must cover them in prayers, but also in action. A vow to keep them safe, nourished, cared for, and free from harm. A vow that they will grow in Jamaica that nurtures greatness, not trauma. The truth is sobering. In 2024, the National Children's Registry received 13,918 reports covering more than 25,000 cases of abuse and neglect. Child neglect was the leading form. Even more alarming, a 2023 report revealed that 3 out of every 4 Jamaican children have experienced violence. Behind these numbers are real children, sons, daughters, nieces, nephews, neighbors. It takes all of this nation, parents, teachers, leaders, communities, to guard and guide the nation's children. Every child deserves care, safety, and the chance to dream without fear. Nelson Mandela once said, "The protection of our children must be our top priority. They are the future leaders of this world, and we have a responsibility to ensure they have the tools and resources they need to succeed." The children of Jamaica are not just the future, they are the present, they are the promise, and they are depending on us. Let's do them better this year as a nation and forevermore.